Now, once we have decided that we are going to bring some data across, we need to make sure that we bring across the right data. The implementation of a new ERP system, it's a great opportunity to clean up our data sets and to bring across the most valuable data that our company can actually perform with and deliver results. So in summary, the essential success factors are having a good understanding of the technological landscape that we will embrace, having a strong business, technical, and data architecture, and making sure that we bring across the right data to perform the best in these scenarios. Now, moving forward, there are 5 basic rules that we will need to follow when we start a new implementation or upgrade project. So let's see which are these 5 golden rules. Rule number 1, have a clear goal. Every time we start a new project, we need to start the project by answering a few questions. We need to be able to answer the question, why have we decided to start this project? Why have we decided to use Microsoft Dynamics AX? What are the benefits that will be introduced into our organization by the implementation of Microsoft Dynamics AX? And how will this software ecosystem help us improve our current flows, increase our revenue streams, and make us perform better as a whole? Now, by answering these questions, we will develop our project vision and our project mission. So the next step in the process is to create a solid strategy and an action plan. Rule number 3, it's all about making sure that we bring strong leaders on the project. Because in this kind of projects, with the complexity introduced by the software ecosystem, by the fact that this is going to run our business flows, we need strong leaders to lead the project and to make the best of the experience that is going to happen. We need a strong project leader to keep an eye over the project and make sure that it's going to be delivered on time. We need a strong data leader to lead and implement all the structural changes. And we need a strong business leader to maximize the benefits that will be gained by the organization through these efforts. And by appointing these strong leaders, it becomes their responsibility to pick and choose the right people to work on the project. And when I say right people, this would be also in-house resources, but they can be consultants, they can be partners, implementation partners, but they have to possess the right skills to be able to deliver what was proposed. Now, by following the first 4 rules, we will have a project vision, we'll have a project mission, we'll have a strategy and an action plan, and we will have the people to deliver and make the most of it. So that's why rule number 5, it's all about delivering results. And we have to deliver results on a regular basis. Remember that the world is changing every day. So what might be true and relevant today, tomorrow might be outdated. And that's why I strongly recommend using agile approaches when you start a new implementation or upgrade project. By using agile practices, you will actually be able to take the pulse of the business and make sure that you actually deliver everything that will make the business to be better. You are able to adjust fast to all the business needs. And you don't end up in a point where you have started with a set of requirements and after 9 months, everything, it's null, it's for nothing. So to summarize, we have the essential success factors and we have the top 5 rules for success. The only question that remains to be answered is how can we use these to gain a competitive advantage? Now, in order to gain competitive advantage, there are 3 prerequisites. And if we follow the essential success factors and the top 5 rules for success, we will already have in place these 3 factors. The factors are having the right technology, having the right data to make the most of it, and having the right people. These 3 factors are the keys to success. But in order to gain a competitive advantage, the secret does not lie in this alone. We need to create value. We have to create value for our customers, we need to create value for our employees, and we need to create value for our community. Value is the most important factor that will convert customers into raving fans. And value is the factor that will convert easily into a predictable, ever-growing stream of revenue.